Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, does sound exist out there in the vast universe? It's a fascinating question, and the answer might just surprise you. You see, in the deep vacuum of space, traditional sound as we know it can't actually travel. There's no air, no molecules for those sound waves to vibrate through. So if you were to scream in space, well, no one would hear a thing. Pretty mind-blowing, right? But here's where it gets super interesting. NASA and scientists have found a way to convert electromagnetic waves from our sun, distant planets, even asteroids, into sounds that we can hear. The result? These incredibly eerie, echoing, and often mysterious sounds, almost as if the universe itself is breathing and vibrating around us. It truly gives new meaning to the idea of a cosmic symphony. So, while the universe might be silent to our human ears in one sense, when translated into sound, it absolutely resonates with a mystical rhythm. If you found this cosmic mystery as captivating as I did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing discoveries about our incredible universe. Thanks for watching.